verse 1 to 10. Sabi po sa ESV, verse 1, I will give thanks to the Lord with my whole heart. I will recount all your wonderful deeds. I will be glad and exult in you. I will sing praise to your name, O Most High. When my enemies turn back, they stumble and perish before your presence. For you have maintained my just cause. You have sat on the throne in righteous judgment. You have rebuked the nation. You have made the wicked perish. You have blotted out their name forever and ever. Verse 6. The enemy came to an end and everlasting ruins. Their cities you root out. The very memory of them has perished. But the Lord sits enthroned forever. He has established his throne for justice, and he judged the world with righteousness. He judged the people with uprightness. The Lord is a stronghold for the oppressed, a stronghold in times of trouble. Verse 10, and those who know your name put their trust in you, for you, O Lord, have not forsaken those who seek you. Muli po ang pagkabasa ng kanyang salita.